Capital IQ Pro tutorial, how to use this tool. So first of all, this is a financial research and analytics platform that is used by some investors, analysts, and companies to even access market data, company financials, and industry insights. So that's the general idea on how it works. Of course, there's a lot more features that goes to it, but again, the general idea. So if you want to go ahead and use this, you're going to have to connect your email that is accepted. So you're going to have to navigate to your company domain and see if it works for you. But you can go to the product login over here and put in your email and go to your Gmail, wherever that email is, and then just verify that. Then you will be able to log into your S&P Global Pro account. But once you've done that, you can go ahead and use the main dashboard and search bar to find your companies, industries, or even financial data. When you open a company profile, you can view detailed information such as your financial statements, valuation metrics, and even ownership data. The platform also allows you to build custom watch lists and dashboards to track companies, markets, or sectors relevant to your research. But for deeper analytics, you can use the screening tools to filter companies based on the criteria you want for. And you can also generate financial models, charts, and reports directly within the platform, or export data to Excel using the Capital IQ Excel plugin. So you can go ahead and make use of that feature. The platform includes additional tools for market intelligence, transaction data, and competitor analysis, making it useful for investment, research, corporate strategy, and financial decision making. So if you want to go ahead and learn more, it's definitely recommended to go into their website, since most of their features and tools will be shown over here, what they do and how to use them as well. But that's pretty much the general idea on how the S&P Global Pro works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.